Today, we will practice useful English while enjoying the Nagaoka Fireworks in Niigata.
This lesson combines summer festival scenery, travel English, and an unforgettable night by the Shinano River.
We will arrive at Nagaoka Station, explore the festival town, enjoy local food, and watch the fireworks by the river.
Nagaoka is famous for its wide fireworks displays and the emotional Phoenix fireworks.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy slow English under one of Japan's most moving night skies. We finally arrived at Nagaoka Station.
The station is already full of people heading to the festival.
Many visitors are wearing yukata and carrying picnic sheets.
How do I say zutto tanoshimi ni shite ita in English?
You can say, I have been looking forward to it.
I have been looking forward to it.
Perfect. That phrase is useful before an event you have waited for.
The whole station feels exciting and welcoming.
Yes, everyone seems ready for a special evening.
I can already hear announcements for the fireworks.
Let's walk toward the festival area before it gets more crowded.
Great. I am ready to explore Nagaoka. The streets are decorated with lanterns and festival banners.
The town feels completely different during the fireworks festival.
How do I say katsuki no aru funiki in English?
You can say, a lively atmosphere.
It has a lively atmosphere.
Excellent. That phrase is perfect for festivals and busy streets.
I like the local shops and colorful decorations.
Many people stop here before walking to the river.
The town feels cheerful and friendly.
Let's take a few photos while the light is still good.
Good idea. The festival colors look beautiful in the evening light.
Next, let's try some local food. There are so many delicious smells here.
I can see grilled food, noodles, sweets, and local rice dishes.
How do I say "nani ga osusume desu ka" in English?
You can say, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. You can use that phrase at any food stall or restaurant.
I want to try a rice snack and something sweet.
I think I will get grilled chicken and local noodles.
Festival food always makes the trip more enjoyable.
Yes, and eating outside feels special tonight.
Let's sit for a moment before heading to the river.
Good idea. We still have enough time. The crowd is getting bigger as we approach the river.
Everyone is heading toward the viewing area.
How do I say kanran seiki wa doko desu ka in English?
You can say, where is the viewing area?
Where is the viewing area?
Excellent. That phrase is very useful at large events.
The Shinano River looks wider than I expected.
This open space is perfect for a huge fireworks display.
I can already see rows of reserved seats.
Let's check the map and find our section.
I hope we have a clear view of the whole river.
I think our seats are near the center. This section looks like the right place.
Yes, our seat numbers are written on the ticket.
How do I say kono seki wa aite imasu ka in English?
You can say, is this seat available?
Is this seat available?
Perfect. That phrase is useful in many public places.
The view from here is excellent.
We can see the launch area across the river.
I am glad we came early.
Yes, now we can relax before the show starts.
Let's take out the drinks and our small fans.
Good idea. The evening is still warm. The sky is slowly changing from blue to purple.
The lights along the river look beautiful now.
How do I say nanji ni hajimarimasu ka in English?
You can say, what time does the show start?
What time does the show start?
Excellent. That phrase works for fireworks, concerts, and events.
I can feel the excitement growing around us.
Everyone is looking toward the darkening sky.
The river is reflecting the last light of the day.
This quiet moment before the fireworks feels special.
I think the show will begin very soon.
Let's get ready and keep our eyes on the sky. There it is. The first firework is rising.
It opened perfectly above the river.
How do I say hanabi ga uchiagatta in English?
You can say, the firework went up.
The firework went up.
Perfect. That is a simple phrase for the beginning of a show.
The sound is much stronger than I expected.
And the reflection on the river is beautiful.
The whole crowd is cheering now.
This opening already feels powerful.
I cannot wait to see the bigger fireworks.
The best part is still ahead. That giant firework filled almost the entire sky.
It must be one of the famous large fireworks.
How do I say monosugoi hakuryoku desu in English?
You can say it is incredibly powerful.
It is incredibly powerful.
Excellent. That phrase matches this moment perfectly.
The colors and timing are changing with every performance.
Some fireworks spread slowly, and others explode all at once.
The whole program feels carefully designed.
Each section has its own mood and story.
This is more than a fireworks show.
Yes, it feels like art in the night sky. The fireworks are spreading across the entire horizon.
This must be the Phoenix fireworks.
How do I say kondo de mune ga ippai desu in English?
You can say, I am deeply moved.
I am deeply moved.
Perfect. That phrase expresses a strong emotional reaction.
The lights look like a giant bird flying across the sky.
The scale is so wide that I do not know where to look.
The river is shining with every color.
This is one of the most beautiful things I have ever seen.
I understand why this show means so much to people.
I will remember this moment for a long time. This inn feels quiet after such an exciting night.
I love the tatami room and the peaceful atmosphere.
How do I say wasurerarenai yoru deshita in English?
You can say, it was an unforgettable night.
It was an unforgettable night.
Perfect. That is a beautiful phrase for a special memory.
The fireworks were powerful, beautiful, and emotional.
And we learned many useful expressions today.
I am glad we took time to enjoy both the town and the river.
Let's review the phrases together before we sleep.
Good idea. That will help me remember them better.
Then, let's begin our review. Let's review some useful English from our Nagaoka trip.
The first phrase is, I have been looking forward to it.
That phrase is useful when you have waited a long time for an event.
We also learned, it has a lively atmosphere.
At the food stalls, we used, what do you recommend?
Near the river, I practiced. Where is the viewing area?
At the seats, we asked, is this seat available?
Before the show, I said, what time does the show start?
During the opening, we learned the firework went up.
For the giant fireworks, I said, it is incredibly powerful.
During the phoenix, we practiced, I am deeply moved.
At the inn, I remembered, it was an unforgettable night.
These short phrases are simple, but very useful for travel and events.
I want to use them again on my next trip. Today, we enjoyed the Nagaoka Fireworks and practiced many useful English phrases.
We explored the festival town, enjoyed local food, and watched the fireworks by the Shinano River.
I especially loved the giant fireworks and the wide phoenix display.
I loved the emotional atmosphere and the reflections on the river.
Slow English is a great way to enjoy travel and study at the same time.
Please repeat the phrases again if you want more listening and speaking practice.
Thank you for joining us on this trip to Nagaoka.
We hope this lesson helps you enjoy English with beautiful Japanese festivals.
Please like the video if you enjoyed it.
And please subscribe for more slow English travel lessons.
See you again in the next lesson.
Thank you very much for watching.